Have you ever wondered what makes the DJI Mini 2 the ultimate travel drone? Well, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you. First off, let's talk about its size. This little guy weighs under 249 grams. That's lighter than a can of soda. Because of its lightweight design, it doesn't need to be registered in many countries. So you can say goodbye to the paperwork hassle. Plus, it fits snugly in your backpack or even a small camera bag. Perfect for those spontaneous adventures. Now, battery life. The DJI Mini 2 has an impressive 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's a lot of sky time to capture those jaw-dropping aerial shots. And if you go for the Fly More combo, you get extra batteries. Meaning, you can fly longer and explore more without constantly worrying about charging. Let's not forget the camera. This drone can shoot 4K video and raw photos. That's a huge upgrade from its predecessor. Imagine capturing stunning 4K footage of your travels and having the flexibility to tweak those raw photos to perfection. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, this drone's camera capabilities are sure to impress. Now, every gadget has its pros and cons. The DJI Mini 2 does miss out on some features like active tracking and obstacle avoidance. For solo travelers, these might be a bit of a letdown. You'll need to be extra cautious while flying, especially in tricky environments. But honestly, considering its portability and performance, these are minor trade-offs. To sum it up, the DJI Mini 2 strikes an excellent balance between portability, performance, and price. It's super easy to use, packs a punch with its features, and is incredibly travel-friendly. If you're looking to elevate your travel content with stunning aerial footage, this drone is a no-brainer. So, is the DJI Mini 2 the ultimate travel drone you need? Absolutely. Wow. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this content helpful, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more. Catch you in the next video.